South Goa MP Captain Viriato Fernandes inaugurated his first office for the people of Murmugaon Taluka in Vasco, calling ex-Ponda MLA candidate Rajesh Pednekar a future MLA while noting that party high command will decide the Ponda by-election ticket. He also expressed concern over South Goa Collector Eknath Khetar's statement attributing the Rasayan shipyard incident to fire rather than an explosion, suggesting possible external pressure before the inquiry's completion.
So I हे ऑफिस ओपन करपाक म्हळ्यार आफ्टर लोकांनी आमकां पार्लमेंटान धाडले करूंक सो आमी एक 0 hour म्हणून स्टार्ट केला मडगांव कलेक्टर ऑफिसान डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसान वेनिसडे आनी थर्सडे आनी आमी पळयलें की ह्या सायडींतले खूब लोक मडगांव येता आनी ट्रॅवल करचें पडटा सो ती आमी तांकां त्रास जायना जावपाक हे हांगा ऑफिस ओपन केलां सो दॅट ह्यो आमच्यो 4 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आसा मोर्मुगांव वास्को दाबोली कोर्ताली ते आमच्या ब्लॉकांक हेल्प जातलो प्लस महिलांक युथांक आनी लोक पळय येता तांकां एक आदार जातलो हांगच्यानूच आमकां तांचे कितें कामां आसा ती सगळीं हांगच्यान करपाक जाता सो दीस इज द मेन रिजन आमी एक डिसिजन घेतलें इट वॉज लॉंग ओवर ड्यू बट फायनली टुडे वी हॅव ओपन्ड so that people can avail of whatever we can help and the Congress party can also reach out to the people. So this was our main reason for connecting with the people.
Captain Khalid, there was an incident where there was a blast and the people died. So such incidents are happening. You think there should have been more precautionary measures, or there should be a watchful eye on all this kind of dangerous projects that are happening in here?
See, this again shows that आता हांगा जाला एक्सप्लोजन थोडे महिने पयलीं वेर्ना जाल्लें ताचे पयलीं सालसेतान जाल्लें वेर देर वॉज एक्सप्लोजन वेर एम्युनिशन आर्म्स एंड एम्युनिशन फॅक्टरी थंय जाल्लें एगेन वेर्ना जालें तांचे आनी आतां काल जाला रासय लोवतली. It is good that collector said there will be an inquiry, but I raised strong objection to the statement of the collector that it was not an explosion. If you are doing an inquiry, leave it to the inquiry to come out whether it was explosion or it was fire. Fire will also come after the explosion. If there was explosion, it raises serious questions. What was there? So I felt very sad and I will convey it to the collector that ruling out explosion, or you say you have already conducted an inquiry, no more inquiry. Why are you setting up an inquiry committee? Are you under pressure? Because I know this collector, she is very upright, very straightforward, and a statement coming from her, that means there is some pressure on her to make that statement. And our information is saying that some cabinet minister is having some business links, and this, if inquiry is being set up, they should inquire. But they are separate career. Is occasion asa is celebrating coming together of our Congress party, the 4 constituencies, a deeper connection with the people of Mormugaon Taluka.
So anything now since you opened the office in Mormugaon, anything is there for Mormugaon people? Any message that you want to give? Because you've been like a very popular figure for South Goa. You are able to addressing issues across Goa. So what is your message for people of Mormugaon when we are looking at elections ahead? Maybe the municipality, ZP, assembly. So how strong do you think Congress will stand in Mormugaon Taluka? Especially when people call it the BJP, fortress and all those things. How do you look at it?
But last जी आम्ही सांगल्यात 13 वर्सांची रूल BJPची गोंया has been full of corruption, destruction, nepotism.